In the previous video, we looked at if statement in Vimscript. Mostly, it worked as you would expect. But there are some cases that are different from what you're used to. So, one of it is Truthy and Falsey value. So what I mean by that is what is being treated as true and what is being treated as false inside the if statement. So we can verify that by putting the conditional inside the variable and echo the result. So you can see that it returned 1, and if you put a negative value, the comparison returned 0. So that means 1 is treated as true and 0 is treated as false. So we can do this as well. So 1 is outputting true, and if we put 0 in there, it should output false. And what about other numbers? So if we put other numbers other than 1 or 0, so what about negative numbers? So every number is true except 0. So that is for numbers. What about string? So let's clean this up a bit. So I'm used to doing this in other languages like JavaScript. So when we run this now, the empty string is treated as false, which seems to be working, but actually it is not, because once we put some other string, it is still false. So what's happening here is that it first converts the first character of the string into a number. So once we put 1 over there, it becomes true, and any other numbers would work fine as well. Then once we put 0, it becomes false. So the thing to take away from this demonstration is that this over here, you cannot do that in Vimscript.